Rooted deeply in the storied tale of coaster folklore, the Valravn is a regal king of birds, swooping in to conquer all other dive coasters on the planet with its powerful and intense maneuvers, massive structure and immense ride vehicles. No other creature or the planet can match what Valravn delivers. This untamed beast possesses superhuman strength, an inspiring collection of magical powers and boundless courage and vision. Valravn is, quite simply, an unstoppable force. With the ability to soar high above its kingdom and dive with unbridled force and speed, it rules the skyline with its limitless power and unsurpassed tenacity. None dare challenge the power of Valravn. Are you ready?
No, dude, if I lose them, they're done, but that's okay. Oh my God. Bro. That's insane. Oh my God. Hey, dude.
You kept your shoes.
Yeah, I did. Whew.
Did you like it?
That was fun. Dude, that was scary. That first drop, holy crap. You good, Russ?